So yeah, next one is ramp up period. So ramp up period is one more input field we have. So which will tell, right, which will design our test in such a way that till what time all these two threads should be active, right? So here I told, in this thread group, I should have two threads, okay? But if I make it one, right? If I make it one, that means within the first second itself, both of these threads should be active, right? Both of these threads should be active. Or if I make it two, what happens is in first second, right? Sorry, yeah. In order to make these two threads, it should take 2 seconds. That means first second, one thread should be started. In second thread also should be started. That means from second onwards, all two threads should be active, right? So yeah, so to understand much better of this, I have come up with some simple example. If you look at this diagram, right? So this diagram, it says like target concurrency is 100, it's okay, right? So that means 100 threads we need it. But by what time all these 100 threads should be started using the application, right? So why do we need this? Why do we need this? So even in general, right? So whenever we use our, IRCTC application or any application, it's not guaranteed that all 100 users will hit or will start using the application at the same time. Okay, 10 people may start initially, later on 20 people may add to the 10, initial 10, and then few more 10, 20, 30, 40, some people may keep on adding to the existing users. And at some point of time, all 100 users will be using the application. What is that point? What is that time is what the ramp up period. So here we are telling ramp up time is 5 minutes. That means 0 to 5 minutes, right? So 5 minutes is this one, right? So let me take this, right? So 5 minutes is this one. This is 0 minutes. So 0 to 1 minute, 20 threads started using the application, right? So from 1 minute to uh, you know 1 minute to 2 minutes, so few more 20 and then 20 and then 20 and then 20, so 20 threads are keep on increasing, right? So what did we understood is at fifth minute all 100 users are started accessing the application, and from fifth minute all 100 users are continuously using the application. This is what the meaning of ramp up, right? But in our example, I'm not going to take any ramp up. Okay, so ramp up, yeah, I'm taking two, but it's okay. Yeah, let's see two how it. That means by 2 seconds, both of these threads should be active and continuously start hitting the application, right? So that's what we are trying to understand. Right? Any questions so far? Any confusions? Is it clear?
What is ramp up steps count whole target rate?
Yeah, so that's what. So ramp up means, okay. So our intention is to uh, hit the server with 100 users. So that's the reason we have written here 100 over, right? So we have 100 in the first input, for example, right? So my intention is, do all these 100 users has to start accessing the application same time? If yes, then make it ramp up 0. If no, then make some ramp up 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 1 minute or some seconds. So accordingly, slowly some threads start accessing some set of threads. That's what the meaning of ramp up.
Okay. If you change ramp up time, then
Yes,
automatically ramp up steps will be changed, or
no, we have to configure. So by default, it will be with 1 second. So if you wanted to change it, yes, we can change
okay.
it. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, all these are very new terms as I am explaining. Yeah, please try to understand. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me without any hesitation. Okay? Yeah, so that is what the ramp up is. So threads means users. Ramp up means within how much time? Within 5 minutes, all these threads should be active, right? In the same way, in our example, there are two threads, right? And the ramp up time I'm giving 2 seconds. That means one thread will start and another thread will start at this point. And two threads will be active at 2 seconds, and from 2 seconds onwards, both of these two threads will be continuously accessing the application. That is the meaning of it. Okay. I hope it is clear.
Yeah. But in the screenshot, there are two more steps.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Those,
Don't,
yeah, that's what in the
don't worry. Yeah,
example
this is
where you are doing, it's not there. Yeah, the
yeah,
sampling.
this have taken.
Okay,
Yeah, only diagram you can see.
okay, okay.
Has to do inputs. Okay. Yeah, that's about number of threads is number of users. Ramp up time is within what time everybody should be on the application. And next one is loop count. So we have some option here called loop count. What does this tells us is if I tell this whatever the requests I have. So if you look at here under this thread group, I have 3 requests. Okay, I am telling these 3 requests should run 2 times. 3 requests should run 2 times. That means 6 requests will be sent, and 6 requests will be executed by 2 people. That means 12 requests will be hit to the server. That is how we have to understand. Okay, so in general, so even in any language, programming languages, we will be having loops. What is the purpose of loop? To do the repeated task, right? But how many times we have to do that repeated task is 2 times. So that is what I'm configuring here. No, I don't want to. I have to continuously run. Then click on this infinite checkbox. If I check on this infinite, continuously the same request with 2 users will be keep on hitting again and again and again and again until we stop the thread execution. That is the purpose of this. So if I uncheck this, the enable checkbox will be enabled, and here I can say how much is the loop count. If I put 1, only once. If I put 2, 2 times. If I put 100, so 100 times the loop will be executed. 100 times the same request will be hit with both of the users. That means 100 into 2 into 3, right? That means totally 600 requests will be sent to the this one. Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Tilmal, can
100,
you hear me? Yeah.
hello? Yeah, Mani, 100 threads by each user, right? So
Yes,
100
exactly.
into
Not
2
100 is
users.
not, 100 is not threads. 100 is a loop
No,
count. That
it's,
means
yeah, yeah, loop count. Each user will perform 100 times. So 2
yes,
users, 100 times, it's 200, right? It is
yes, 200.
100. 600, you said? No.
Yeah, 200, but there we have 3 requests, right? So that will become 600.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay. Right. Okay. I hope it is clear so far. Any questions from anybody?
No.
Okay, I'm assuming it is clear. Yeah, so the next options we have something like delay some time, right? So